Hey guys, if someone asked me how I get baby plants like this and grow them into this, here is what I would tell them. These are the top 5 things I do when planting that help get me these results. Number 1, I mix different brands of potting soil. So I got 3 bags of the Kellogg's organic potting soil, 3 bags of Miracle-Gro potting soil. For my flowers, I like to layer these. It just makes it easier to mix. So the reason why I mix the potting soils, one year everything died. And I think I had over fertilized them. So I'm very paranoid about it now. And I have had really good success with this way of doing things. Number 2, I try to always use a slow release fertilizer. Now we're going to add some of our fertilizer. Just kind of sprinkle that in. This is a slow release fertilizer. So even when you're not using like your liquid fertilizer, this is feeding them. And I think it's a really good way to start the season. Number 3, water your containers until you see drainage. I'll go ahead and water this in. That drainage right there is what you're looking for. Number 4, use an auger for in-ground planting. This is not my favorite tool for in-ground planting. This is my favorite tool. This is an auger. I ordered this from Proven Winners, and it's hooked to my husband's drill. And it will drill holes in the ground for me so that I don't have to dig them up. And it does a fantastic job. Guys, this tool makes this job go by so much quicker. And number 5, use a yardstick for more uniform planting. 2, it's about right here. And 18, right there. So guys, that's it. Those are my 5 tips. I hope it helps. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time when I'm hopefully home.